Hi guys, welcome to Makeup Masterclass, where we tell you all about the latest trends and show you how to achieve some of these hot looks. Korean skincare trends have been all the rage. Just like the double cleansing method or the 10-step K-beauty routine, there's one other trend that has been going around for a while now, and that is glass skin. It's all about poreless, dewy, baby soft skin, and who wouldn't want that? Just like any other K-beauty routine, this one also takes quite some time. So I'm going to speed up the process and show you guys my version of how to create glass skin with makeup. And that was it. Let me know if you have any questions about this makeup look in the comment section below. Also, while you're at it, check out the POPxo shop. We have some really cool stuff out there. We have doormats, we have backpacks, we have makeup pouches, and a lot more. So all of that will be available in the link in the description box below. So make sure you go crazy shopping there. Also, tune in next week for another episode of Makeup Masterclass. And for more skincare, makeup, haircare tips, keep watching POPxo Daily. Bye.